Have you ever thought about what can be made by treating non-woven fabric with the flame retardant? If no, then today we are going to tell about non-woven flame retardant fabric. What is non-woven flame retardant fabric? Non-woven flame retardant fabric is a fabric which is non-woven fabric is treated with the flame retardants. Flame retardants are the chemical that protect fabric from fire. This fabric is made by treating non-woven fabric with a thin layer of flame retardants. This can be done using adhesive bondings, thermal bondings and ultrasonic bonding. The specific flame retardant used in this fabric vary depending on the desired properties of the fabric. Some common flame retardant include aluminum trihydrate, ammonium polyphosphate, dicarbomodiphenyl ether, magnesium hydroxide, and melamine. This fabric is important fabric for many industries as it can help to prevent fires and protect people from harm. It is also becoming increasingly popular in the consumer goods. People become more aware of the importance of the fire safety. Now let's talk about what are the benefits of this non-woven fire retardant fabric. This fabric has many benefits including fire resistance, durability, tear resistance, good color fastness, soft and smooth texture, non-toxic and biodegradable. Now let's talk about what are some applications of these fabrics. This fabric is used in wide variety of applications such as a home furnishing, curtains, carpets, etc., protective apparels, firefighter suits, welding suits, etc., industrial applications, geotextiles, insulation materials, transportation, aircraft interiors, automotive interiors, consumer goods, luggage, sleeping bags and tents, etc. Now let's conclude this topic. The non-woven fire retardant fabric is a versatile fabric with many applications. It is fire resistant, durable, tear resistant, has good color fastness, is soft and smooth to touch, and is non-toxic and biodegradable. It has many benefits and is very important for your safety. Now you know everything about this fabric. You can use it to make many safety items.